And what about, of course, about doing the brand entity setup right? Yes, we do. Matter of fact, we do. So again, that's what's right here called Brand Builder. Well, that and the GBP SEO. So the Google Business Profile Optimization process right there and Brand Builder is really those two things right there. And then also we have the ID page. But the ID page, there's training for how to build an ID page in the GBP optimization SOP. This is a standalone ID page training for if you're using Yax, yet another cloud stacking software to create ID pages, which is how I do them now. So there's an ID. So that and then Brand Builder. Brand Builder is how that right there is how you guys can, within 30 days, you can take over the top 2 pages of the search results for a brand search, as long as it's not a generic keyword name as the brand name. Just be clear. It has to be a name that can be a branded name. I just did an audit yesterday for a lead gen website in GBP that the brand name was a generic search query. And I told them right out of the gate, like, you're never going to have success with this. It's always going to be a difficult project because you can't establish this as a brand. The name was literally keyword plus city plus state modifier, state abbreviation. That was the brand name. That's almost impossible to recognize, to force Google to recognize as an entity, because it's also a generic search query, a local search query. So don't do that. If you have a branding name, Brand Builder right there within 30 days, and I can provide a money back guarantee to clients for that. We can, as long as the brand is a name that is not a generic search query, then we can take over the top 2 pages of a brand search within 30 days through that process right there. And that establishes a very well-developed knowledge graph for that local entity, which makes other SEO efforts easier. Hopefully that's clear, right?